And why do you come into my home with your ass on show in that manner? You a pervert? What statement are you trying to make?
Hey, look, it's a style over fashion. It's a rude boy thing.
Then tell me, rude boy, are you just another reject of society, desperate to fit in?
Shylock, we didn't come here for a lecture. We just want to do some business with you.
Please, Antonio, allow me a moment with your young friend here. Do you know the significance of this half-mast trousers look? No, I didn't think so. It came from gay prisoners in American jails. Yes.
What you know?
Plenty. Gays who were advertising their asses for sale to other inmates for protection would walk around like that. Are you saying that you two, Mr. T Unit, are available to be poked?
Please don't. Yeah, hear me? Man say less than that end up dead, here.
You think me afraid of you? Me not care about your reputation. To me, you're still a batty boy.